Good afternoon. Hello. Why are you here? Nang alin? Nang Guwin Bulilit? So, what is your name? How old are you?
6.
Stay there. I'll ask you some questions. Do you have talent?
Yeah.
So, what is that? What are those talents?
Model, dancing,
Can you speak louder?
model, dancing, singing, and acting.
Oh, can you give me a sample ng singing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fantastic. It's fantastic. It's your favorite song ever.
Okay, so, modeling. Okay. What else? Dancing? Can you dance? So, how about acting? You know how to act?
Yeah.
Ano yan? Kontrabida?
Yeah. Because I like acting.
Ano yun? Yung nasaan ang patatas?
I don't know.
Pag sinabing smile,
I can't remember.
can't you remember?
Yeah.
But you can act.
Yeah.
Oh, if you're happy, ano ang act ng acting ng happy? Smile, surprise, scared, sad, what else? Ano pa yung talent?
Crying.
Oh, crying. Oh, why you're smiling?
I'm so happy. I like to go to the book.
Okay. Oh, model one more time. Wow, nice one. Thank you.
You're welcome.